Did you know you can now create far better videos than VO3? That too for free. Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to test out Alibaba's Wan 2.2 update, the latest release that is already being called the most powerful video tool out there. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So to begin, head over to create.wan.video, create your account, it's free to use. Once you go, we have bought the pro version and that's why we have like 156 credits remaining, but you can do it even without taking the pro plan. Okay, it's free. So let's go to generate, and here is where we can start. This is all the things that our team has tried out. They have a lot of models like 2.1, 2.2, and recently they have also released 2.5 preview. But today we will be focusing on Wan 2.2. So we have video, image, and avatar. Before we go to video or avatar, let's head to image and let's generate some unrealistic stuff, right? So astronaut exploring a distant exoplanet with alien plants, 2 suns in the sky, and futuristic robots scanning the terrain. Okay, so yeah, this will require 2 credits. So let's hit enter, and you can see that there are 4 images that is actually getting generated. Let me just click on got it here, and there you go. So we've got this 4 images generated, and there you go. We've got some unrealistic images with 2 suns, one looking like hot sun and one more cold sun. Anyway, so let's move on. And this was using Wan 2.5, by the way. Let's go to 2.2 plus. Okay, and change the prompt to a majestic dragon made of crystal and fire, soaring above ancient ruins, glowing with magical runes with a full moon backdrop. Again, 2 credits. Let's see what it generates. And there you go. Some crazy things. Okay. Now from image, let's move on to the video section. And we have image to video, text to video, effects, and so on and so forth. Let's try image to video. And we have to give some image. So I'm going to add the image. If you have already added something, it will be available in the history. You can go there, but I'll upload from device. So I'm going to upload this giraffe, and the text is going to be make the giraffe graze on the field. Okay, so let's go to Wan 2.2, and you also have the ability to change the resolution and this will require 10 credits. So hit enter. So you can see that the estimated time is 1 minute 10 seconds. So let's wait. And so we've got it. I'll enable the sound. So like VO3, Wan also generates audio along with the video. Okay, so I'm going to pause this. Let's move on. And I'm going to upload one more image now. Replace, upload from device. We'll add this image, and the prompt is going to be make the person do a backflip. Let's see if it is able to generate this. Again, 10 credits. Again, 1 minute 10 seconds. Oh, he did it along with the sofa. Okay, and the music. Okay, now let's move on, and let's try text to video. This is annoying. It keeps playing whatever it wants. So I've given some prompt here, which is create a breathtaking ultra cinematic underwater video scene. Show a team of professional divers swimming gracefully through deep blue ocean water, surrounded by shafts of sunlight filtering down from the surface, and some more details. Let's use 2.2, right? And we can also mention if it is to be 16:9 or 4:3 and so on and so forth. and 1080p or 480p. Let's go with 1080p 16:9, and it'll again take 10 credits. So let me just hit enter, and yes, cool. Let's also enable the audio. Great. Now let's move on to the fourth option that we have, which is avatar. And when you go to avatar, you have speech to video, character swap, or photo animate, right? So let's first go with speech to video. And what this does is you can upload an image. Okay, so I'm going to upload one of our thumbnails, and we can give a speech from here. Okay, you can either generate or upload from device. Let's go to generate. Here you can enter the text that you want. So I'm going to enter the thing. Today's video is extra special. We built a finance tracker where you can upload invoice or bills through Telegram, and it automatically saves and organizes everything into Google Sheets. Simple, practical, and something every business can use. So this was from one of the previous videos. You can select the audio. Okay, you have classic lady, warm guy, and so on and so forth. Let's go with this one.
Love is hard to get into, but harder to get out of. Many practitioners know this and maybe put off.
Mix up the noodles and sauce before
Let's go with this one.
slurp away.
Click on next. So it's actually generating the audio here. Okay, let's just click on confirm. And this requires 30 credits, right? So you can see here, we have two options, 720p or 480p. Let's go with 720p, and we have generate with credits here. I don't know what that means because we have to generate with credits itself. Anyways, so I'll click on hit or enter, whatever you want to call that as. And this takes like 7-8 minutes. So we'll talk after a while. While this is generating, let's move on to the next one. Okay, again, we'll go to avatar, and this time it is going to be character swap. And what character swap does is you have to give some target video, okay, which already has some character. And then you also have to give one more image of the second person's character, second person's image, right? And the second person's image will be swapped with the first person in the video, and the video will be outputted. Okay, so the team has selected some video for us. I'm going to upload this one. So you can see this.
What's that? What's that, Dada?
Okay, and I'm going to upload one of my image. Let's see how it comes out, right? So this requires 20 credits. Again, we have standard and pro. Okay, I'm going to use standard for now. I'm going to hit enter. Please ensure the character has a clear front-facing face, otherwise generation may fail, right? So yeah, I'll click on confirm because character has the front-facing face. So we have this one which is running, which requires close to 6 more minutes, and this one is also 6 more minutes. Now while these two are getting generated, let's move on to the third one. Okay, so photo animate. And here you give a character image. Okay, I'm going to use this one, let's say, one of my 4 old images. And we have to give some video reference. And I'm going to give this one. Okay, I can see this. Some expression, right? So let me click on confirm, and I'm going to generate. Again, this requires 20 more credits. So let's hit enter and click on confirm. Okay, queuing with priority. So you can see that this requires 6 more minutes. This requires around 4, and this requires 3.5 or so. While these are getting generated, let's head over to x.com. Let's go to explore and search for Wan 2.2. Let's see what people have been using it for and how they are using it, right? So let's see this.
And you have 5 minutes. Is there a reason why I should let you in?
Just trying to teach the cops, okay? I don't really care, Shiba.
Mr. Spectre will be right with you. Can I get you anything in coffee or... Rick Sorkin?
Okay, let's move on. You can see this one.
Replace myself with a different character. Take a look at this. So, like, I can create fake ads with this if I wanted to. What are you talking about? What? That's creep.
Let's check this out.
These kind blows about what you want to see in your shuffle.
Okay, let's go back. And yeah, this is ready. So I'll play the audio.
Today's video is extra special. We built a finance tracker where you can upload invoices or bills through Telegram, and it automatically saves into AMP, organizes everything into Google Sheets. Simple, practical, and something every business can use. In today's video,
Looks robotic, but okay.
extra special. We built a finance tracker.
I'll pause this. This requires 1 more minute. This requires 3 more minutes. Let's wait. This is ready. Let's see.
What's that? What's that, fella? Ugh. Oh, the ugh. What's that? What's that, fella?
Okay, while this is getting generated, let's quickly check out one video generation from text to video using 2.5 just to see how the output is actually coming out, right? So we can select it 5 seconds or 10 seconds, right? And 10 seconds video will be 20 credits. So let's go ahead and generate this. And that requires 6 more minutes. This should be ready in a short while. I'll play this. Okay, the video is ready. Okay, let's see if the final video is ready. No, that is getting ready in a minute more. So let's wait. Okay, that's ready as well. This was for 10 seconds. And the prompt we had given was create an intense cinematic video of 2 boxing fighters battling in a large packed arena. Focus on dramatic close-up shots showing sweat, determination, and the impact of punches. So yeah, that's Wan 2.2. Pretty wild that a free tool can push outputs close enough to VO3. And the best part is, even if you want to take a paid plan, then their plan starts from $5 that we just saw. And if you don't want to take subscription but you want to generate something, you could just buy enough credits to generate those things. And the reason why we took the pro plan is because it just costs us $5. And if you want to use it for free, then you will have to wait in the queue to get your image or video generated. That means they will stack it in a queue and it will run one by one. So we just wanted to finish it soon because otherwise the video shoot would have gone for a very long time. And the credits starts at $1.5 or so. And one thing, if you have noticed, whenever American companies drop something crazy like VO3, the Chinese companies come up with something similar. This back and forth has been going on for a while, and it's good because innovation happening, and it's good because innovation is happening faster and tools are becoming accessible for a lot of us. And I think that's what makes this tool even more interesting. It's powerful, it's affordable, and most importantly, you are not locked in. Anyways, I would love to know what you think about this tool. Give it a try and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want us to explore some more tools and make a video on that, please share it in the comments or join our WhatsApp community where the remaining magic happens, and share it with us so that we can help you explore any tool that you are looking for. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.